What if the key to limitless clean energy has been burning beneath our feet all along?
Deep within the crust, immense heat radiates from the planet's core, a power older than time itself. Could it be that this ancient fire could power humanity's future?
In places like Iceland and Japan, the Earth breathes, releasing steam from hidden reservoirs below. For centuries, we've bathed in it, cooked with it, even worshipped it innate, but only recently have we learned to harness it. Modern technology turns that steam into electricity. A process as elegant as it is powerful.
Water is injected deep into the ground, superheated by magma, and races back as steam to drive turbines.
Beneath the crust lies a natural pressure cooker, holding energy we've barely begun to tap.
Unlike fossil fuels, geothermal energy never runs out, as long as the Earth itself is alive. Could this ancient heat illuminate our cities without choking our skies with smoke?
But tapping this energy isn't easy. It lies miles beneath hard rock and searing pressure. To reach it, we must drill deeper than ever before, into the heart of the planet's veins. Every drill risks triggering seismic shifts, tiny earthquakes in the crust's fragile balance.
Could our search for clean energy awaken the forces that shape the continents?
Yet with precision and respect, we can coexist with Earth's fiery heart. Every puff of steam tells a story, Raton, of balance, renewal, and ancient warmth.
Unlike coal or oil, geothermal energy releases no greenhouse gases, just clean vapor.
New closed-loop systems recycle water endlessly, creating energy without waste.
Imagine cities powered by the Earth's own heat, day and night, endlessly.
What if our future power didn't come from the sky or wind ties, but from the fire below? The magma beneath our feet holds 50,000 times more energy than all known oil reserves. If we could harness even a fraction, the world would never run out of power again. Around the world, engineers are racing to unlock this sleeping giant. Experiments in Kenya, Japan, and Iceland are proving it's not just possible, it's happening now. Every plume of vapor carries a promise, clean, endless, and born from the planet itself.
To tap deeper heat, engineers drill miles below, entering a world of molten rock and unimaginable pressure.
Temperatures soar above 400 degrees Celsius, and rocks can fracture at the slightest miscalculation.
Yet the planet continues to provide ride. Hot springs and geysers showing the way.
Beneath our feet, geothermal reservoirs hold enough energy to power nations for centuries. Through clever engineering, we convert steam into electricity, clean, renewable, and constant.
Yet drilling comes with risks, rock fractures, sudden eruptions, and the danger of triggering minor quakes.
Careful monitoring ensures that tapping this power doesn't awaken the planet's fury.
When done correctly, geothermal energy is one of the most sustainable power sources on Earth. Closed-loop systems recycle water endlessly, creating energy without waste or emissions. Could geothermal energy provide a nearly limitless source of power for humanity? Across the world, geothermal energy is quietly revolutionizing the way we power our lives.
This natural engine runs 24/7, unaffected by weather or seasons, unlike solar or wind.
From small towns to major cities, Geothermal energy lights our nights with a clean, steady glow.
But drilling too deep or too fast could release pressures we are only beginning to understand.
Scientists map hotspots around the globe, identifying the safest, most efficient areas to extract energy.
Every plant balances precision and power, ensuring Earth's energy is tapped responsibly. It's a delicate dance between nature and technology, respecting the planet while harnessing its fire.
Miles below, the Earth's core radiates energy hotter than the sun's surface, a force we are only beginning to access. Unlike solar or wind, geothermal energy is constant, a steady heartbeat beneath our feet. Water transforms underground heat into high-pressure steam, driving turbines that generate electricity.
Countries like Iceland, New Zealand, and the Philippines are already leading this energy revolution.
Every drill pushes the limits of human ingenuity, reaching deeper and hotter than ever before.
With careful planning, geothermal energy could power a significant part of the world sustainably.
But tapping too aggressively could destabilize delicate underground systems. The Earth reminds us of its power. Imagine cities across continents powered by the Earth's internal fire, constant, renewable, and clean.
Hispanic female geologists and African-American male engineers work together,
decoding the Earth's secrets to harness this hidden energy.
It's all around us, waiting beneath the soil.
Superheated water turns to steam, spinning turbines, converting the planet's heat into usable power.
Clean energy, powered by the planet itself, Huchuk, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels.
Stabilize the core temperature immediately. Drilling into such extreme heat pushes technology to the limits, challenging human creativity.
The Earth gives willingly, Kelly, if we approach with respect and understanding. Every drop of superheated water becomes a unit of electricity, feeding homes and industries alike. Accurate measurements ensure safety and efficiency. Every system carefully calibrated.
The Earth's internal heat is constant, a rhythmic pulse we can convert. The energy beneath is immense, capable of fueling generations if harnessed wisely.
Entire cities can glow with electricity drawn from the Earth itself, day and night.
From Iceland to Kenya, geothermal energy could become a cornerstone of the global clean energy movement. Tapping even a fraction of this heat could reduce our reliance on fossil fuels drastically. Imagine a world where human ingenuity partners with the planet, producing endless, clean energy. This energy doesn't deplete, though. As long as the planet remains alive, so does its power.
We have learned to channel the Earth's heat safely, a triumph of human science.
Geothermal power represents a new era, sustainable, renewable, and constant.
Every plume of steam hints at a future where energy is clean, abundant, and earthborn.
The Earth's heat has waited billions of years. Now it's ours to harness responsibly.
The question isn't if we can generate energy from geothermal heat, it's how wisely we choose to use it. Follow for more science in short.